So today I'm going to be talking about a couple different refractive errors and some things that go along with them, such as their etiology, the affected structure, the affected distance, and the corrective lens choice for people with these refractive errors. Let's begin with myopia. Myopia here is inherited and it affects the eye as a whole. Myopia occurs when the eye is too long, meaning that rays of light going in fall just in front of the retina. An example of this would be if this was our eye, we want the light to focus here and it focuses here instead. This means that the affected distance is going to be the far vision or distance vision, and the corrective lens choice for people with this refractive error is going to be a concave or minus lens. This lens kind of looks like an hourglass, and it's able to refract the light to make this a little bit longer just to hit on that retina. Hyperopia is another inherited refractive error. It affects the eye in the opposite way of myopia. So in this case, the eyeball is going to be too short, and when we want the light rays to focus here, they're actually focused right behind the retina. This means that the affected distance is going to be near, and people with hyperopia are going to need a convex or plus lens. The plus lens kind of looks like a football or a wide oval that comes to a point at both ends. This allows the light to be refracted so it's hitting right on the retina. Astigmatism is another refractive error. It is inherited or can be caused by eye trauma. This affects either the lens or the cornea, and this happens due to the cornea, instead of looking round like a basketball, it's going to be kind of a football shape and misshapen. When this happens, you have our eye here, and it might hit at different points depending on the steeper or flatter end of the cornea, and really we want that light to just be focused in one place on the retina. So this will affect far and near vision, and the way to fix this is going to be a cylindrical lens. The cylindrical lens is going to be thicker in one meridian. In our example here is the top meridian, and then it gets a little bit thinner as you go down. Maybe you don't need as much refractive help in that area, and that will allow the different focal points to conjoin and be focused on that retina. Up next we have presbyopia. Presbyopia is an interesting one. It is due to aging, so everybody will get this. This is affecting our middle-aged people. It's going to start around 40. So about 40, our lens, which is the affected structure, our lens in our eye loses that flexibility to be able to accommodate for up close or distance vision. So that affects the near vision. As it loses flexibility, it can't bend in order to help us see up close. So we are going to need a convex or a plus lens. Again, this is what we learned about in hyperopia. It's going to be that wide football or oval shape, and people with presbyopia are going to need just the reading glasses. So when they are trying to look up close, they're going to put those glasses on.